Congratulations on your purchase of an Infinity Laser Measurement System, the most advanced measurement system on the market today. Before you start measuring, let's take a few minutes to go over your system and its components. When you open the top cover of your cabinet, one of the first things you will notice is a wide variety of round metal adapters. These adapters range from 6'3", which will fit a 6mm hole or a 3mm bolt, up to 4527, which will fit a 45mm hole or a 27mm bolt. These adapters are designed to fit into one of the 14 bright green magnets included in your system. Once an adapter has been placed into a magnet, it is ready to be placed onto a vehicle. Your system also includes 12 targets, each labeled with a number from 1 to 12. These targets report height, width, and length data back to the system. In the center of your console, you will find the scanner. The scanner works in conjunction with the targets to generate all the measurement data used by the system. In the sliding tray, you will find a wireless keyboard and mouse. Upon opening the second drawer, you will find an assortment of stems, ranging from the longest purple stem to the shortest black stem. The system also comes with 4 bright green half stems. These can be used if a stem is too short, but the next stem up is too long. Stems are designed to fit snugly into the bright green magnets and be hung from a vehicle's frame. Targets can then be hung from those stems. When attached to a stem, the target will be powered on and ready to use. The second drawer contains a user manual filled with useful information about the system and its capabilities. Answers to any questions regarding operating the system can usually be found in the manual. If for any reason you cannot find the answer to your question in the manual, our contact information is on the front page. The second drawer also contains an Ethernet cord for connecting the scanner to the cabinet and a scanner power supply. A power cord for the cabinet and any additional discs or manuals for the PC, printer, or monitor can be found in this drawer. At the bottom of the cabinet, you will find a multi-function full-color printer that can be used to print any reports or estimates generated by the system. Below that is the PC that runs the software for the Infinity measuring program. Now that you know what your system comes with and what it's used for, you're ready to roll it over to a vehicle and start measuring.